Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all will be fine. Let's handle this math problem. It looks quite simple, but 90% get it wrong. -1 + 1 equal 0, and 0 times 6 equal 0. It means 0 over anything equal 0, but 0 is incorrect.